Hi everyone, this is Sir Evangelista at nandito tayo ngayon. I'm so excited at Gordon Ramsay Bar and Grill dito sa Kuala Lumpur at titikman natin ang iba't ibang mga bestseller nila including my favorite one. So let's go everyone. I'm excited ako. Let's go. Grabe, naiyak ako. Isa mga pangarap ko talaga ay makakain sa restaurant ni Chef Gordon. Pero ang mahal, pinapanood ko lang to sa MasterChef. Kaya ibabahagi ko sa inyo yung experience ko with my raw, authentic, and honest review sa kanyang restaurant. This is another episode of My Malaysia. The original plan is to have lunch buffet in Sunway Pyramid. Pero we are eyeing talaga for Ramsay. When we arrived, their manager immediately approached us and tour around the area. Isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito ay yung function hall nila because there's this magic window na pipindutin mo lang yung remote and you'll be able to see all the chef and staff na nagluluto. Amazed na amazed ako dito. Gusto ko to pero hindi ko pa afford.
Oh!
Wow. Ang perfect nun. The place is too cozy and elegant but not that intimidating ha. There's two huge portrait ni Chef. One is just in the lobby and the other one was hiding at their bar cellar na ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya. So we seated next to a window. We started to order drinks. I ordered Malbec because it's perfect to balance the taste of the steak. For starter naman, we ordered this classic Caesar salad. And then while waiting, kumain kami ng complimentary bread and butter nila. Ang sarap. Yung cheese nilagay sa salad, I can't explain but I heard it was cured for 36 years. Imagine, kaedad ko na yung cheese. The best thing about this date was learning new grape wine variety kasi ako mahilig ako sa Merlot and Cabernet Sauvignon. Simot ang salad, wala pa yatang 2 minutes. Nakakaloka. O eto naman, ipapakita ko habang naghihintay kami ng order. Ito yung wine cellar nila na sinasabi ko. Ang laki, pero di na kami pinapasok because they are in the process of organizing it. Dream kong magkaroon ng ganyan sa bahay, grabe. Did I mention the view outside? It's overlooking Sunway Pyramid Lagoon. It's like a dream come true for me while writing this script. Parang tumutulo talaga yung luha ko, grabe. The manager also toured us sa kanilang dry aging fridge showcasing yung premium Wagyu and beef around the world. Habang nagko-content ako, taking pictures, dumating na yung famous na beef Wellington and the Wagyu steak. Ang tanong, masarap ba o na overhype lang? Abangan natin yan dito sa My Malaysia. This is Sir Evangelista and good night everyone.